For precision trimming, look no further than a Dahle professional rolling trimmer. This German-engineered trimmer cuts up to 20 sheets at a time and features a self-sharpening blade that cuts in both directions. Don't worry about constantly replacing dull or worn blades. This trimmer sharpens as you cut to maintain a perfectly honed edge. The blade's precision graduated edge will remove even the tiniest sliver of paper and produce a clean, burr-free cut each and every time. Designed for safety, the cutting blade's encased in a plastic housing that virtually eliminates the chance of personal injury. And holding your work securely is no longer necessary. The integrated automatic clamp provides even pressure and prevents your work from shifting. For measuring, the sturdy metal base contains carefully screened guides for straight and angled cuts and an adjustable backstop, which is the easiest way to ensure consistent accuracy during repetitive cutting. Dahle's Model 552 professional trimmer provides unparalleled accuracy and cuts up to 20 inches. It's versatile, strong, and perfect for trimming paper, cardstock, canvas, and photos. So, when it's time to put the finishing touch on your next project, why trust your reputation with anything less than a Dahle? Dahle, known for quality, engineered for precision.